what I love about this industry is we're in a sweet spot. We're like in that elbow of the upward graph, right? Where this industry is taking off, but we're still in that elbow. We're riding the wave where still the majority of the market in any market still does not know that they need to get this done. It's
Yeah.
crazy. It was
Yeah.
like this back in 2017 where so many customers they'll tell me their story. Well, my dryer was taking forever to dry my clothes. And then I called an appliance repair technician. You know what I mean? And they didn't know the signs, the warning signs. They didn't even know they needed dryer vent cleaning. I had no clue what it was until I went to search for a small business that I could start back in 2017. Came across
Yeah.
dryer. It said dryer duct cleaning. So what is that? So um, we stand a chance to benefit greatly by riding the wave of people that are new to this and saying, wow, I didn't have no clue I needed to get this done, and finding you online, and also by creating awareness in the marketplace so that we can take those people higher up in the funnel, right? Higher up in the sales funnel where they have no clue where they, that they need it, educating them and then booking those jobs. So yeah, it's a incredible
Yeah.
opportunity.
Well, it was about 3 years ago. I got a call at the carpet cleaning company. It was a customer asking if we clean dryer vents. That's the first time I ever heard about it.
Mm.
And that's what got me looking into it. I got a
Interesting.
cheap kit off of Amazon. Had
Yeah.
no idea what I was doing. But I did a couple for our carpet cleaning business. But just in the last few weeks, I've started calling some of the guys that I know in the Tulsa area that do carpet cleaning. I said, "Do you get any calls for this?" And they say, "Yeah, every once in a while we get a call for dryer vent cleaning." But they didn't know what it was. They still didn't know what it was. So
Hmm.
it's a good chance for me to tell them what it is. I tell them that I'm
Yep.
doing it now,
Yep.
and no, they said I'll get the referrals. So we'll see how that goes.
There
But
you go.
yeah, just not a lot of people know
Mhm.
Yep.
anything about it.
Huge opportunity
That's
for sure.
our biggest hurdle in this industry is lack of awareness.
Yeah. And it's also
Yeah.
our biggest opportunity. Our biggest hurdle is also our biggest
Yeah.
opportunity.
Yeah.
It's a
It's a
it's a
blessing
it's
and a
a
curse.
yeah, blessing and a curse all at once. It's the battle of who's going to put together a brand, a message, and marketing campaigns that really work really well to spread awareness that goes viral or whatever the case is. And even that, like even if one company does that as perfect as ever any company has, there's still so much more ground and so much more opportunity to get a piece of the pie for everyone else. It is a huge opportunity. And just to look at it like from this angle, I don't think there's very maybe okay, maybe pressure washing, but even then pressure washing is pretty competitive. But I don't think there's any other niche or home service industry that you can look at and say, okay, you can do the same thing with dryer vent as dryer vent cleaning when it comes to group scheduling. So like group scheduling, and I've talked about this before. Is one of the things that we're leaning into is when you get your customer to get their neighbors or their someone in their neighborhood to schedule with them for a discount. Both of them get a discount. If you think about that, you can't do that with plumbing. Like, you know what I mean? Like, what's the chances of it might happen every now and then, hit or miss, but what's the chances of someone's neighbor having a plumbing issue? Oh yeah, I need to get this done. I need to schedule with you. Very slim. What's the chances? I mean, you can go through. What's the chances that another person in the neighborhood needs their roof inspected and replaced or whatever it is? I mean, maybe after a hailstorm, right? But it's like so many people need their dryer vent cleaned or replaced or repaired or whatever the case is. So it's a very unique industry to get into when it comes to all kinds of different angles of growing it. So, yep. John Victorino, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up, guys?
How you doing, brother?
Nothing much. I have my first dryer vent cover replacement tomorrow.
Nice.
It's pretty cool. And then yeah, that group booking, I actually closed a couple of townhome like communities doing that. So definitely implement that.
Yeah. Yeah. One thing about John is he was in a test drive and he got on the Q&A accelerator and we were talking about group scheduling. And literally that same night, he sent his customers that were scheduled the next day a text message to do group scheduling. And how many customers extra jobs did you book because of that text message?
I think yeah, I had one set up and then 4 neighbors.
Right. So you had
After
one. He
that.
sent that one text message to that one customer and ended up getting 4 neighbors.
Yeah.
I
I actually just did one on Saturday too. That was started as one and then had 2 other neighbors. And it was a townhome, so it was a second floor roof exit. And I just asked the first one that I serviced, like, hey, can I just leave my ladder here and I can service all 3 of your roof vents? And she's like, yeah, that's cool. So that saved me even more time because I didn't have to move my ladders or anything.
Dude. That's awesome, man.
Nice.
Yep. Huge opportunity, big time. I hope you enjoyed this conversation. If you're getting started in your business and you want to see how we're helping new dryer vent cleaning business owners get off to a great start for free, click the link in the description below and take the test drive. Or don't, and just keep binge watching Dusty Lint videos. Whatever makes you happy.